Sigma from Turbulence, Capiz. Okay, likewise Bohol. O damo po kayo sa Bohol, bilog na nga April, uso ng Bohol, pero diri sa sumong sa Iloilo, before magpabuhol, parang mamatian naman, what, no? Ang pagbalik sa JPP Audio Classic na panagyahan ni Tay Pamping, Panis, and Chief Engineer, Panis, and Panis family. Tungkol ang bilog na pwersa sa Teams Stroker. Powered by Hurricane Products and Drop Soundworks and Drop Powered Amplifier. Of course, and the rest of the family. Sa mga Team Stroker boys, ang GRA boys, 7-6, at sa likod. Thank you. And of course, and from Team Stroker family, ladies and gentlemen, from Turbulence Capiz, JPP Audio Classic.
From the province of Capiz, giving you non-stop satisfaction, clarity, and intensity that truly satisfies. This is JPP Audio Classic of Barangay Bunsuan, Turbulence Capiz, the Black Panther of Soccer, owned by Panis Family, Solid Hurricane, and Yolanda User, powered by Drop Soundworks and Drop Audio, Team Stroker, JPP Audio Classic. Wala sa sugid, pamati ilang.
DJ Christian Tama.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Y'all ready for this?
Lila, lila, lila.
JPP Audio Classic.
High
volume. Level 138 in progress. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
JPP Audio Classic of Barangay Bunsuan, Turbulence Capiz.
Now let my beats control your body. Level 138 in progress.
JPP Remix.
JPP Audio.
We have a 138 in progress.